Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a side mirror on this 2012 Chevy Traverse. And we show you on the driver's side, but the passenger side is a similar procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a 90-degree pick, a T30 Torx bit and ratchet, door panel clip tool, putty knife, flat blade screwdriver, 10mm socket, and a pair of pliers. Start off by removing the panel behind the door handle, and then this panel right here behind the pull handle. And we use a 90-degree pick. You just stick it in the slot behind the top of the panel, and then you just pry out. It pulls right off. And then on this one, it's at the bottom of the panel, same thing. Just stick the pick in and pry out. And you'll see this T30 bolt and then these two right here. You want to just go ahead and remove those. Now the clips on the back of these door panels are hard to get started, so what we do is we use a putty knife to protect the paint. Then we stick a clip tool up along the putty knife onto the clip. And then using a flat blade screwdriver in between the two of them, you pry out and it'll release that clip. Once you get the first one, it's a little bit easier to get the rest. You just stick your hand up behind the panel and then find the clip, give it a good tug, and just do this around each clip. And once you've released each of those clips, the door panel lifts up and off. Next, you have to disconnect your door handle cable. You just push this out of the bracket, pull it back, and unclip the cable, then lift it up and out of the door handle. Now you want to disconnect these two harnesses. Just push on the tab and pull them free. Now you want to disconnect your mirror harness. Just push on the tab and pull it free. Then you want to pull the harness from the door, so use a pair of pliers, push the tabs together, and pull that clip out. And then behind here is one of the 10mm nuts you're going to have to remove to get the mirror off. So use the pair of pliers to just pry out the clip below it. And then using your 10mm socket and ratchet, remove those three 10mm nuts. Once those are removed, your mirror will pull right out. And you just want to push that gasket through and feed the harness through the door. Take your new mirror and feed your harness back through the door until you get to that gasket. And then you want to line up the studs on the mirror and push them into the door. Pull that gasket through the door. And then we're going to fast forward here as Don replaces those three 10mm nuts and tightens them up. Push that clip back in, and then push the clip on the harness back in and reconnect your mirror harness. Now to reinstall your door panel, just put your door handle rod back into place on the door handle. Pull it back, clip it back into that bracket and push it into place. And then reconnect your two harnesses. Now lift your door panel up over the lock rod. And push it down into place. And you want to rest it up on the windowsill. And make sure it pushes back down in. And now check around the edges, make sure the clips are lined up, and then hit them into place. replace the 3 T30 Torx bolts and tighten them up. Now push those 2 panels back into place.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.